Wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows 71 to 74 on the west, 73 to 76 on the east side. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the west after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs 96 to 100 on the west side, 99 to 102 on the east side. Southeast winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows 73 to 76 on the west side, 74 to 77 on the east side. South winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the west after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs 101 to 105 on the west side, 104 to 107 on the east side. Northeast winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. The observations for the local area at 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on Wednesday, May 28th. At Harry Reid Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees, with dew point 22, and the relative humidity 8%. Provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The observations for the local area at 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on Wednesday, May 28th. At Harry Reid Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees, with dew point 22, and the relative humidity 8%. The barometric pressure was 29.94 inches and steady.
1 in 4 Americans have a disability. I'm one of them. I'm also working with your deeply on making sure
All right, we got 1 minute left until it's showtime for Nevada's monthly. Or when it's supposed to be sent at 2:20, given that they don't fail to send it.
CRTV1 netlog said.
And there it is.
LB 2234 Sage Digital. Earn LB said. LB 2234 Sage Digital. Earn LB said.
Oh wow. Check this out. They only sent it for Washoe, dude. Wow. So none of these stations are gonna go. Except for this one up in Reno.
This is Washoe County Emergency Management with the May required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System. Federal, state, and local officials use EAS to keep you informed in the event of an emergency or disaster through your local radio and TV stations and cable providers. This test helps ensure that EAS participants are ready to provide information in a crisis. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert.
Burn CRTV1 Nedlog said. Burn CRTV1.
Okay, so here's the thing. It's only for Washoe. It's not for the whole state.
Burn CRTV1 Nedlog said.
So either who originated this is gonna leave it like that, and so here in Vegas, absolutely no stations are gonna receive the monthly this month, or someone who's actually competent might realize, oh, this is only tone for Washoe, so only stations in our county received it, so they're gonna be like, okay, we gotta send it out statewide, like how it was supposed to be. Damn, what a lazy goof up. It is what it is at this point, unless this damn state figures its shit out and finds a way to get these tests sent out correctly, then it's probably not even gonna really give a crap anymore. So, yep, Nevada, you guys have damn fucked up again.